back to another episode of Back 30 Precision. Today I got some exciting news. We got a new rifle. This is going to be the Carbon Rogue by Fierce Firearms. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Don't tell my wife. This is chambered in none other than 7PRC. Long action, titanium action, carbon fiber barrel, 22 inches, carbon fiber stock. Out of the box, this thing is just under 6 pounds. On front, I got the rugged Alaskan 360 suppressor, Atlas bipod. On top, I'm going to be running the Mark IV HD 8 to 32 by 56. I mean, this is going to be a great setup. I'm really excited to shoot this. Bix N Andy trigger, adjustable. I think it comes out of the box 2.5 pounds. I'll be adjusting this down to 1.5. 3+1 in the chamber, Picatinny rail, internal box magazine, Picatinny rail. Man, I don't know what else to say. I'm excited. Let's go out and shoot this. Alright guys, be the first shots out of the Fierce Carbon Rogue, chambered in 7PRC. I'm going to start out with Federal ELD-X 175 grain. Far right target, top left corner. $29.07. $29.15. $29.43. I might have pulled that one a little bit. $29.18. Okay, I'm gonna let that cool down. We'll move over to the Outfitter by Hornady 160 grain solid copper. All right. Shoot the 160 grain Outfitter by Hornady. Do one target over. $28.18. $28.01. $27.94. Pulled that one slightly left. Still stacking them. $28.04. $28.03. Pretty consistent there. Average 28.04. Extreme spread of 25. SD of 9. It's not bad. Not bad. All right. I think that's going to be it for today. Starting to run out of light and it's starting to get a little chilly, so stay tuned for more from the 7 PRC.